Hey guys, I just want to share with you this new thing that I'm up to. So I have this beautiful balcony out there in my office, in my studio, and recently I thought about using it. So this is how what I'm doing. So I just got this amazing grass carpet done, which is really amazing. It just feels so cool. And now my next challenge, if you can see here, let me show you the challenge. So that's the grass. It just feels so cool. And the next challenge I have is this AC vent. If you see here, well, I never thought about that. So we have this AC vent, which just does not go with what I really want to do with it. I really love these wind chimes. They make amazing sounds whenever uh, the wind blows. So let me just think about it. I would love you to give me ideas as well about what do I do with this, to cover up this AC vent, because I would like to beautify the balcony, especially when the rains are coming and then the winters would be coming. I would love to spend a lot of time out here in the balcony enjoying the view. Uh, there's all these trees there at the back, you see. It's really amazing, right outside the house. So I would love to love to spend my time here uh, during the rains, as I love rain, and also the winter season when the sun is here. It's really amazing. So let me figure out how do I cover this up and make the balcony really beautiful. Okay, keep watching this, watching out for more, information, more updates about this, and I would like to receive your input as well. Bye bye.